Here's a booger weld there, eh? And then I'll do clamp-on style rod holders here, either two vertical ones, one here, and two angled ones for trolling. These will be kicked back a little bit for riding out with the rods, and or I might just do two vertical ones here at the ends. I'm not sure. Possible that I'll add another bar in the future, removing this. Give yourself some more room, and then put another short bar across here to do the verticals instead, and still have plenty of clearance. There's definitely tons of clearance on this. So these are 8-inch long. I could have gone, you know, a foot long each, but I just wanted to be able to stand on my swim deck here. This will lock kind of your I guess the size of your shins in, and so, you know, have a little more stability left to right while you're standing back there. Plus it made it so that it gives a nice posture for sitting here.